Hi, my name is Ventura and we are continuing the Radicals of Walking Tours. I'm currently at the historic Japanese cemetery. I'm gonna tell you a little bit of the Japanese cemetery, how they were able to get this place. On 1908 and the early 19s, there was a large population of Japanese living in Oxnard due to the sweet beet farms. So at the time, many Japanese lived in tent cities because they were not able to obtain land in California. So this land was given to them so they could bury their loved ones or their family or friends. Many plaques right here don't have a name. They're currently unknown because they don't have family members or anyone that knew them. So it was really important to them because in 1885 this cemetery was considered a whites only. So in 1908, when it became a segregated cemetery by giving 1/3 of an acre to the Japanese. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this interesting. If you guys ever would like to visit the historic Japanese cemetery, it is by the Pleasant Valley Road. So please hit the like button and subscribe, and please continue to watch the Radicals of Walking Tours.